Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Kimchi Buldak. Begin by salting cabbage and preparing a spicy paste with gochugaru, gochujang, garlic, soy, and sugar. Rinse and drain cabbage thoroughly, then mix with the paste and chopped scallions. Marinate chicken in the same paste for bold flavor. Keep ingredients prepped and organized so cooking moves quickly and flavors meld evenly for a sticky, spicy finish. Start by salting the cabbage for even fermentation or quick brine, then rinse well and drain. While the cabbage rests, whisk together gochugaru, gochujang, minced garlic, soy sauce, rice vinegar, and sugar until glossy. Toss the cabbage with the sauce so each leaf is coated. Pat chicken dry and toss with extra sauce so the meat absorbs spice before searing or baking to lock in those bold flavors. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is great in the kitchen for timers, hands-free recipe steps, and pumping up your cooking playlist. It fits easily on a counter and hears you over sizzling pans, so you can set timers or repeat steps without stopping. If you like this suggestion, please subscribe and like if the video is helpful, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Heat a heavy skillet until very hot, then sear marinated chicken until nicely caramelized and sticky, turning once. In a separate pan, briefly stir-fry the dressed kimchi just to warm and concentrate its tang without losing crunch. Combine chicken and kimchi in the pan to marry flavors for a minute. Serve over steamed rice, finish with toasted sesame and scallions, and offer pickled radish or a cooling cucumber side for balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.